Well guys, welcome back. It's another cold, windy Nebraska day. Got my fishing pole and I'm out here on this little fishing pier. I'm gonna see if I can catch anything. I don't know how well I'm gonna do with this wind, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. Since the last time I've been out to this spot, the water level is down a little bit, but we'll see if we can hook into anything. So I've got an ultralight rod. I believe that's an 1/8 ounce jig head. It's a little big, but with the wind I'm going to try that. And then that is a Bobby Garland little paddle tail swim bait thing, so plastic. So we're going to try that. I'm going to get you guys strapped on the chest mount here and we'll get to fishing, see if we can hook into something. Stay tuned guys. So I've got a little bit of this crappie.com slab sauce. I like to use this stuff when I'm crappie fishing, and I think I might be able to catch some around here. If not, it's just a little bit of scent, garlic scent. So we'll spray that on here. Ooh, about out of this stuff. Oh yeah, I am. Need to get some more. All right, got a little bit on there, little sauce on there. And I guess let's cast this out here, see if we can hook into something. Got a tree down right here. It kind of comes out this way, and then if I remember right, there's a bit of a brush pile out in front of me, but we'll go out that way. Oh, did I snag it already? First cast. Let me get it back. I did. I would have been pretty bummed. But like I said, I know there's a little brush pile out there somewhere, so it's not a bad thing. It's kind of hard to feel any kind of bite in the wind. Oop, that rod is nice and twisted. 2-piece. Nothing. Bite. I had a bite, I think. Did I get something? No? What the hell? Oh, no, I do have something. Crap, something took it and immediately wrapped me up. Come out. Oh, what? That was whack. Try one more cast right here and then we're going to start walking around a little bit. All right, let's walk. That's not working. Usually don't have much luck off of this way, but I guess we'll see what happens. Come down here, I guess, cast a few times. So I'm right kind of in the corner of the lake here. Looks to drop off all right here. And much less wind right here. Oh, I had a hit. There we go. There we go. Ooh, nice bass. Nice bass. Well, not exactly what I was trying to catch, but I'm not mad about that. It's a decent sized little guy. Please don't break my line. Please don't break my line. Come on. There we go, guys. And the hook just fell right out, of course. Not a bad little chunk. He is really cold, but it's a nice little fish. Pretty stoked with that. Well, there we go, guys. Nice largie on the ultralight. It's not a huge one, but that was a nice catch. Not what I was expecting to hit. I kind of figured I'd I pull in some crappie over here, but this dude munched it, so that's awesome. I'm gonna get casted back out there, see if I can hook into another one. So stay tuned. This guy released. Ooh, it's got my thumb. Let go, bro. He's out of here. Ooh, gonna fall in. Water is cold. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. He didn't mangle that thing too bad. Should get a couple more out of it, maybe. We'll see. That was nice. That was a nice one. Oh, did I snag it? Come on. Just cast it out and it snagged. That's a bummer. Did I lose it? I lost it. Of course. Next cast, I lose it. Should try something else. I don't really have anything else down here with me other than jig heads and plastics. We'll try another jig head and maybe throw on a different color of plastic. Something bright. I think I got some bright green stuff. If I even have any more jig heads. Got out of jig heads. Ooh, this is my last one. I guess I have some lighter weight ones in here. This one is actually lighter than the other ones, I believe. I guess we'll put one of these on. Got one or two left in here. Two left. Mega tees. Hook placement's on point, huh? Right out to the side of it. Alright, let's cast that out. Well, I know there's a snag right in front of me. Yeah, that's a lighter jig head. Much lighter jig head. There we go. Got one. Got one. Another little bass guy. Yeah, he was hungry. Chill. 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 We'll get you off. You choked it. Ooh, dropped my rod. Well, just a little bass guy. But it was nice to hook into another one. We had to change baits to make this one happen because we lost our other bait, but we will go ahead and toss this guy back, see if we can hook into one more. See you later, bud. That was a pretty light bite, but nice to catch another one. Snagged it. Tight. It's on somebody else's line. Got it off, battery died. All right, let's keep walking down. Get back up here on the bank and the wind really starts to mess with it. So I'm throwing such light stuff right now. Well, that was not a fish. All right, I'm gonna walk back up over to the little fishing pier that I started on. See if our bait change made a difference over there. Knowing my luck, I'll cast it out there once and I'll snag it and lose my last jig head. But we'll give it a shot anyways. There's that wind over here. Stick that in the tree, probably. Well, I think that might be gone. Yep. And there we go, guys. We're done for the day. So come over here, make one cast, break it off. All right guys, so on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I lost my last jig head casting out as soon as I got back over to that little fishing pier. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. We caught a couple little bass. That first one was nice. It would have been awesome had the second one been bigger, but it is what it is. It was nice to catch one. The sun's getting pretty low in the sky. I didn't have much time to fish this afternoon, so it was nice to come out here and catch a couple. I would have really preferred to get crappie. I probably would have taken them home and eaten them, but it is what it is. So anyways guys, I guess stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.